In the moonlight,
moving money.
eyes so deep like midnight. Feel the heartbeat uptight. Close to me every night. Whisper words so gently. Hold me tight, don't let me. Dancing slow, so heavenly. No rush, got all eternity.
Moving money.
Make love under the stars. We don't need fancy cars.
Need notes.
Just you and me tonight. Everything is so right.
Talk to him, Luna.
Feel the rhythm in our veins. Wash away all the pains. Smiling as it rains. Love in sync like chains. Sweet talk.
It's Natasha Jonathan here, back with a exciting video. This video is Hello Kitty meets Ensure. Ensure is a supplement. It is creamy strawberry max protein nutrition shake, and I absolutely love it. It's manufactured by Abbott Laboratories, none other than Abbott Laboratories. And Abbott is a great company. It's a marvelous company. And so what we're gonna do today is make a shake. I got my cranberry juice. I got my Capri Sun fruit punch. This is like an ice smoothie. And it is a blackberry delight is what I'm calling it. So what you want to do, your ingredients that you need is some great chunks of ice. Okay, make sure you got some good ice, y'all. I have my ice here. Okay. You want to get you some Ocean Spray Diet 5 cranberry juice. And you want to get the Fruit Punch Capri Sun. And the Fruit Punch Capri Sun is what you want to get. Okay, so what we're going to do is start out with our ice. And this is Hello Kitty meets Ensure. But I have so many cute Hello Kitty style accessories. I'm going to introduce also Dunkin' Donuts meets Hello Kitty. Isn't that cool, y'all? This is a Dunkin' Donuts tumbler that you can keep your Ensure in after you make it. This is a purple one, and I put Hello Kitty charms on it. And I absolutely love it. You can decorate it how you want to, this tumbler. And I have my Ensure in a crate here. Okay, so let's get a look at that. Okay. So we're gonna start by blending this drink, this Blackberry Delight. So let's get started, y'all. We're gonna start out with this ice. Get you a good blender that blends ice cubes. Okay. Okay. So, what we're going want to do is start by blending the strawberries and cream first. So make sure you shake up your strawberries and cream. Ensure y'all, and you can find this at Walmart, okay? At your local grocery store, you can check. And you may be able to find it on Amazon. So be sure to try this out. What I'm gonna do is pour this into the ice, like so. And it looks like a shake, okay? We have our fruit here. Oh, we didn't go into that. Let's go into the fruit, y'all. Okay, you wanna get some good juicy strawberries and blackberries for this drink. Here they are, okay? And so what I'm going to do is move the camera down some so you can see. Okay. What I'm going to do is add the diet cranberry. Let's try that first. Okay. So we're going to add the diet cranberry. Shake up your juice so the concentrate is in there. And woohoo! We got our ocean spray, okay? So here we go. This sure smells so good. You want to add your ocean spray. And the Capri Sun is a separate drink. So as you can see, this is two different mixtures going on here. You have the Ensure here. Let me move this so you can see. And you have your cranberry juice. It's diet, so it's a healthy ocean spray juice. Okay? So you want to add, I like a lot of ice. So I'm going to add some more ice cubes. Here we go. Bam. Bam. Voila. Bam. More ice. Okay. And a little more ice. Okay. And strawberries is at the end because it can make your drink tart. So I have some Sweet and Lows here if you want to add strawberries in the little Hello Kitty pouch. Hello. Okay. So we're going to close this up. And I'm going to put this on start. There we go. Okay. Now, you can see it's up to the top now. Hey, y'all. Okay. So next, what you want to do, I'm going to rinse this out because it's brand new, y'all. So give me a moment. Okay. So I am going to add in the drink. First and foremost, what you want to do is pour out some of the drink. If you want to, you can place strawberries and fruit at the bottom. Let's try that. I'm going to take the leaves off of the strawberry. Okay. And place this at the bottom of the jar. Voila. And then some blackberries. Not a lot because it can make your drink tart. Okay. So now, let's get to the strawberries and cream, blackberry Ensure, y'all. Okay, let's see what it's looking like and what it tastes like. So this is what it looks like. Yummy, yum, yum. Okay, so I'm going to pour some of this into the jar. And I'm going to pour it over the sink because it can get kind of messy. So let's pour it over the sink. Okay, so this is the drink. Let me put the top back on the blender. I know, and here is the strawberry drink Ensure. Okay, so we're gonna go into Drake now. Started from the bottom, now we here. We started with this, the base. You start with the base, you get your ice. You add on your diet cranberry juice, and it's like a float. Looks so good. And what you can do to embellish this drink is you can add a strawberry and slice it. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to take this strawberry, slice it down the middle, and just put it on the side of the dish, of the shake, of the drink. Oh my goodness. So where's my straw? I have these Hello Kitties here, and I have a Dunkin' straw like this, and it looks so pretty on the straw. So we're gonna take a purple straw, like so, and put it in the drink. Bam! Here we go, here we go, here we go, y'all. Okay, so you go ahead and put your straw topper on. And we're gonna try this drink and see how it tastes. This is from Dunkin' Donuts, the straw topper. So you want to make sure you get you a Dunkin' tumbler. Your drink, this is for at home, but if you want to drink your Ensure on the go, you can put it in your tumbler. Okay, so that is that. And okay, so I'm gonna try this drink right now. We're not gonna wait. We are gonna try this drink. It's so good, y'all. If you want, you can add a sweet and low if you like it more sweet. But this is a great drink. Thanks to Abbott Laboratories, y'all. Okay? And also Ocean Spray and Dunkin' Donuts. Okay? And so, it is like an Italian ice drink because the ice is all chopped up. So it's good and it's a pretty drink. Okay. As you can see, it's separated into two different solutions. This is the diet cranberry. And then this is the Ensure on top of that with ice. I mean, it just doesn't get any better than this. That's why you need to watch this video, because this one I improvise and I made this recipe so that it's unique and it tastes real good, y'all, okay? It tastes so good to me, y'all, okay? So let me just taste it again. By the way, how do you all like my Hello Kitty shoes to match? So get comfortable, put on your slippers, your Hello Kitty slippers, and make you a Hello Kitty meets Ensure blackberry drink, okay? And I will see you all in the next video. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, okay? And subscribe to the channel, y'all. Subscribe to me, y'all, okay? And I will see you all in the next video.
You in the moonlight,
Moving money.
eyes so deep like midnight. Feel the heartbeat uptight. Close to me every night. Whisper words so gently. Hold me tight, don't let me. Dancing slow, so heavenly. No rush, got all eternity.
Moving money.
Make love under the stars. We don't need fancy cars.
Need notes.
Just you and me tonight. Everything is so right.
Talk to him, Luna.
Feel the rhythm in our veins. Wash away all the pains. Smiling as it rains. Love in sync like chains. Sweet every night. Whisper words so gently. Hold me tight, don't let me. Dancing slow, so heavenly. No rush, got all eternity.